Thank you, Healthcare Asia, for this honor. These awards recognize our team members' dedication to bold innovation. I would also like to thank Emeritus Professor Hiroyuki Tsuchiya and their team for their partnership in bringing iodine technology to patients in Japan. In addition to solutions like WalkAI, Zimmer Biomet remains dedicated to improving patient outcomes in Asia Pacific.
We're also proud to be recognized for our campaign, Arnold Schwarzenegger, You'll Be Back, a bold initiative across Asia Pacific. This campaign allowed us to engage in bold conversations around movement, recovery, and quality of life. Innovation in healthcare is not just metal and plastic, or at least we believe, or digital technologies, although those are important too. It's also about how we engage with healthcare practitioners and the communities they serve and address the issues that patients find most important. We want to thank our partners, team members, and customers across Asia Pacific in supporting us in this campaign, and we're excited to continue improving quality of life and removing impediments to movement for patients around the world. Thank you.
WalkAI was developed to help address a key challenge after knee replacement surgery, which is identifying patients who are not recovering as early as expected. Research has shown that gait speed is closely linked to recovery quality and patient outcomes. WalkAI applies this insight using artificial intelligence to analyze real-world mobility data collected passively through a patient's personal device. What makes WalkAI distinctive is that it is an industry-first application of AI that predicts a patient's 90-day gait speed between days 15 and 40 after surgery. This is typically a lower touch period in post-operative care, where early warning signs may otherwise be missed. By identifying patients whose recovery may be deviating from expected trajectories during this window, WalkAI is designed to notify surgeons and care teams earlier so they can prioritize patients who may need closer attention. This earlier visibility can support more timely interventions, such as adjusting rehabilitation or increasing monitoring, which may help reduce the risk of complications or revision surgery. In Australia and New Zealand, WalkAI has been adopted by more than 180 surgeons and is used to support over 20,000 knee replacement patients, showing both strong clinical interest and scalability in practice. One of the biggest challenges was how to bring a bold global campaign into a market such as Thailand, where external engagement with customers and patients is highly regulated and communications need to be carefully tailored to local requirements. The goal was not simply to replicate the campaign from another region, but to adapt it in a way that remained relevant, appropriate, and compliant in the Thai market. Zimmer Biomet addressed that by working closely across corporate communications, marketing, legal, and compliance teams from the very beginning. That cross-functional approach helped the team shape an activation that preserved the campaign's central message around movement, while ensuring it aligned with the local environment. Thailand became the first APAC market to feature Arnold Schwarzenegger collateral in his role as Chief Movement Officer, with the campaign launched at the annual conference of the Royal College of Orthopaedic Surgeons of Thailand, ARCOS, the country's largest orthopedic meeting. The message resonated because it did not focus on product promotion, but on a shared purpose, restoring movement and improving quality of life. The outcome was a strong level of engagement, with booth interaction increasing threefold versus the prior year. More importantly, the campaign helped shift conversations beyond products towards broader themes such as recovery, longevity, and the value of movement. For us, that demonstrated that even in a regulated market, it is possible to deliver communications that are highly impactful and locally relevant. Research shows that periprosthetic joint infection, or PJI, is one of the most serious complications after hip replacement surgery. It happens in about 1 or 2% of cases and can lead to further surgery and significant impact on patients' quality of life. Zimmer Biomet's iodine technology was developed to help address this challenge by addressing bacterial adhesion on implant surfaces. The technology applies iodine to the implant during the manufacturing process, creating a surface designed to inhibit bacterial attachment. Iodine itself is a well-established antiseptic used in clinical practice and is a biocompatible, essential nutrient. Independent research confirms that it does not contribute to antibiotic resistance, which is an increasing global healthcare concern. This technology is available in the iTapeLock Complete and IG7 hip system, which builds on well-established implant designs with the addition of this iodine-treated surface technology. It has also received global recognition, including approval in Japan as the first orthopedic implants using iodine technology, as well as FDA Breakthrough Device designation in the United States. In simple terms, the technology is designed to inhibit bacterial adhesion on the implant surface while still working alongside existing surgical practices and infection management measures. Winning these Healthcare Asia Medtech Awards is meaningful recognition of our commitment to advancing care across multiple areas, including product innovation, digital health, and how we engage the market. For us, it shows that innovation in medtech is not only about developing new technologies, but also about how those technologies support healthcare professionals and improve patient outcomes. Each award reflects a different part of that commitment. WalkAI shows how digital tools and artificial intelligence can help provide earlier visibility into a patient's recovery after surgery. Iodine technology reflects our focus on addressing serious clinical challenges, such as infection through implant innovation. And the Thailand campaign with Arnold Schwarzenegger demonstrates how a strong human message can be adapted carefully in a regulated environment to engage healthcare professionals around a shared purpose. Together, these recognitions reinforce our belief that meaningful innovation comes from bringing together clinical insight, evidence, technology, and communication in a way that supports patient care. Looking ahead, these awards encourage us to continue investing in solutions that are evidence-based and scalable. This is driven by our mission to alleviate pain and improve the quality of life for people in Asia Pacific and around the world.